Hi, this is Marek Pawlowski from MEX here with Paul Naastepad from Intivation. Intivation is working on some interesting technologies around solar charging for mobile devices. Paul, could you explain the different products you've got here and the kind of user segments you had targeted for them?
Sure. First use case is basically for people that do not have electricity. There's 1.6 billion people in this world that do not have access to an electricity network, or it is just simply not affordable for them. So what we have done is we made a very low-cost phone. This is a phone that retails for about $30 only.
Okay, we're going to zoom in here and get a look.
And it is completely independent of the electricity network. 1 hour in the sun of this phone gives 16 minutes talk time.
And is this the panel on the front here of the device?
This is the back side of the phone. You see the camera and the solar panel. And the front side is like any other phone. You can turn any phone into a solar phone. And as I said, 16 minutes talk time. In Africa in general, the people only talk for 7 minutes. So it's a completely independent phone where you don't need to have a charger even available for that.
And for customers who have got their own phone already, do you have a particular product for them?
Sure. If you already have a phone, then basically you're going for a charger. What is important for a charger is that it charges all the phones out there. And that's the biggest challenge that you have. So it should charge, the different Chinese types of phone, but also the BlackBerry and the iPhone. This is a very high performance charger, meaning that it puts out a lot of energy and it costs really a little. And as you can see, it's blinking now, which means we're indoor now and it is still charging. It's extremely sensitive to light.
Zoom in there.
It has a 1000 milliamps battery, which means that if you connect it to your iPhone, then in about an hour and a half, your iPhone is fully charged with this device.
Okay. And what's the one that we've got in the middle here?
This is more for the people in the West or more the upscale. This is the first global smartphone on solar. It's an Android 2.3 phone, very feature rich, and it's made by the company Umiox. It has our technology of Intivation inside. And what this is it really helps the charge of the smartphone. Problem with smartphones is, of course, very high energy consumption. And this one just makes sure that not at 4 o'clock in the afternoon the phone is dead, but it will last until 7 or 8. It's like the hybrid solution for phones using solar.
Can you explain the secret sauce behind how you enable these products? Because obviously your business is not in manufacturing the devices themselves, but in providing the technology which gives them the solar capability.
I'll keep the absolute secret for myself, but it is in fact a chip. So what goes in here is what our company Intivation does, is we have developed a technology that very efficiently takes the power from a solar cell and puts it in the battery. So we effectively do the power management hereof. And if you look at this device, as I said, 1 hour in the sun and 60 minutes talk time, we are now presenting here in Barcelona a very new technology, which is on a solar panel. And with this technology, you do 1 hour in the sun and a 35 minutes talk time, so more than double the talk time. If you put this technology plug and play on a solar phone, you really have a meaningful charge and a current into a solar phone, or into a smartphone, I should say.
And I noticed the panel has a different appearance there as well. Is that a distinct design difference?
Yes, it is. This is a very special panel. The efficiency of this is 23%, whereas these have 15% efficiency. It's also made in a completely different fashion. This whole device is also machine made. It has the chip on it, it has the components on it. You just connect 2 wires to this and you can put it on any device, whether that's a phone or an iPod or an iPad or a lamp or a sensor or medical devices. It's a plug and play method.
That's great. Thanks very much indeed for your time, Paul.
You're so welcome.